Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you guys the highly requested glasses makeup look that I've been rocking with my new frames, and I'm sure a lot of you guys can relate to when I don't feel like wearing my contacts and I have to wear my frames but I want to look good. This is the look I go for, and huge thank you to GlassesUSA.com for sponsoring today's video. I get all of my recent frames from them, and on top of that, they have prescription glasses up to 70% off retail prices, which is amazing if you can't see and you need to pay for your eyes. They have over 4,000 styles of eyeglasses and sunglasses, including bougie designer brands like Ray-Ban, Oakley, Gucci, Versace, as you can see. And as a glasses wearer myself, I have special specs that I need in my lenses to ensure that I'm seeing correctly. And so GlassesUSA.com has lenses that are the same high quality as any glasses store that you go to, and they make all their stuff in their state-of-the-art labs, which is amazing. They can handle any type of prescription, and they offer personalized lenses based on your needs. And you guys are also probably wondering how I even shopped for my frames if I couldn't try them on. So I went on their website to use the virtual mirror feature. So I just uploaded a picture of myself, and I basically just shop through all the glasses with my face behind the frames, and it's super helpful. GlassesUSA.com has also partnered up with Hilary Duff to create a beautiful glasses eyewear line that has 80 frame styles, and they're rooted from the actress's mission to empower and help women feel confident, which I love. Every aspect of it, from the packaging to the personal message, the frames and the names, are all inspired by strong, influential women, and all of these frames are available exclusively online at GlassesUSA.com, so you guys can check out the Muse x Hilary Duff collection. All of the frames are priced around $100 per pair, which is actually very good compared to traditional retail prices, so be sure to check it out. I'll link everything down below, including the frames I showed you guys as well. But that is all for my little glasses haul and spiel. Let's get into the makeup look. I know you guys are dying to know how I keep my makeup from rubbing off my nose because of the frames, so let's get into the makeup tutorial. Starting off with a clean face, I'm priming my skin with the Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer, and as you guys know, I love this one. It's super hydrating, and it keeps my makeup on all day long, and also helps my oils stay at bay, which I really need because I have super oily skin. On top of that, I'm using my Tatcha Silk Canvas on any of my more porous areas and T-zone to kind of just blur out my skin and make it look super nice for foundation. And today I'm using my new one from Lancôme. I love this foundation, especially when I wear my glasses, because it does not budge whatsoever. It's my current favorite foundation because I have super oily skin and it tends to slip and slide no matter what I use, especially when I wear my glasses because of the little nose things that kind of just rub on my nose. All my makeup is pretty much gone by the end of the day, or it looks really bad. So I highly recommend any of the products I'm using in this video, specifically when I wear my glasses, because it's so easy to smudge my makeup because of the nose things and if my glasses touch my cheeks. Anyway, I'm also spot concealing right here with the new Fenty concealer. I am a huge fan of it, and on top of that, I'm using their new powder, which I am absolutely in love with. I'm pretty much in love with everything in this video, okay? But I'm applying this directly onto my nose and under my eyes a lot. I'm kind of just layering up the powder, and what I love about this powder is that it does not look cakey no matter how much I put on, and that is perfect for around my nose area because I don't want it to smudge or anything, and it looks perfect throughout the whole entire day. But I'll be filling in my eyebrows as well because they frame the frames, because when you wear your glasses, it's kind of framing your eyes, but you need something on the outside of your glasses as well to kind of just draw the attention elsewhere, so it doesn't look like you're just wearing, like, you know, circles on your face, whatever shape your glasses are. But I like to fill in my eyebrows a little darker when I'm wearing my glasses, just so that it looks more put together on my face. And here are my current favorite brow products. Of course, once again, I'll leave everything down below, but I kind of just fill it in with my natural shape, just a little bit darker than usual. And then I also kind of set my brow hairs with this heavy duty setter. I kind of just brush all my brow hairs up and make sure they're all tame. I don't conceal or anything anymore because I kind of like this more natural brow look, but it's just slightly deeper on the ends, which I think looks really good with glasses. Then for the rest of my face makeup, I'm going to be bronzing up my face per usual, and I like kind of just, I don't really sculpt my face. I love just like the warmth of a bronzer, so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm also kind of brushing it on my nose to give it a bit of contour, not too much. And then of course I'm going in with some blush, and I currently love this one from Buxom. I just like a little bit of color, you know, per usual. It's kind of just my everyday makeup look. This part, it's nothing too special to glasses. And the same goes for the highlight. I'm just applying it kind of how I usually do, and the only thing that's different is the highlighter. I've been using this Anastasia Amrezy collaboration one. I love this one so much. So yeah, I'm just kind of like brushing it on my face per usual, and also on my nose and in my inner eye corners. I always do that, but it also helps me wear glasses just to bring some more brightness to the eyes through the lens. Then to start off the eye makeup, I'm applying some mascara off camera, but here is the most important part to me. It is the eyeliner, and here I'm just using a simple brown pencil liner, but I'm doing a more winged extended look, a little longer than I would usually do winged eyeliner, but I feel like this is the most important part for me because without eyeliner or without any eye makeup, when I wear my glasses, my eyes look smaller or they look a little hidden behind the lens, so I always do a bit of a more dramatic eyeliner look to make my eyes look bigger or brighter and just a little more prominent behind my lenses. And I also apply a little bit of eyeliner on my lower lash line and pop on some lashes, and these ones do not touch the lens on your glasses, which is a must because that can get really annoying. But anyway, I'm doing now my lips, the final touch. I am either usually going for a bright kind of red peachy look, or I'm going with a simple nude like my everyday makeup. Any of these combos are what I usually go for because it just makes me feel more confident. And that completes my daily makeup for glasses. Thank you guys so much for watching, and huge thank you to GlassesUSA.com for sponsoring today's video. Check out the links down below to get any of the lenses I'm wearing in this video, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye beauties!